Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over what in the heck happened with Tesla earnings and take a look at the price change that happened after hours. And I'm not going to lie, I did not see that coming. Now, this is from Benzinga, and this is as of today, about I guess 20-30 minutes ago. It says Tesla bulls praise Musk Q1 earnings call, see EV giant on collision course with Uber and Lyft, but critics say Christmas just came early for the bears. So Tesla confirmed that the new, more affordable next-gen vehicles will be rolling out from existing facilities in early 2025. A bearish analyst sees the comment as referring to decontenting the existing lineup and not as a rollout out of next-gen cost low EV. So it says the Tesla Inc.'s earning call, first quarter earnings call, triggered a 13% surge in after-hours trading, but the analysts remain divided on the company's near-term prospects. Elon delivers mostly. Future funds, Gary Blacks said CEO Elon Musk delivered one of his best conference calls despite the slight earnings miss. Incidentally, ahead of the earnings, the fund manager said that he regretted not selling his firm's entire Tesla holding after trimming it from 12.2 from December 2022 to 2.7. We are pleased that Tesla confirmed that not only was the more affordable next-gen vehicle not canceled, but Tesla appears to have accelerated the start of production previously 2025 year-end to early 2025, he said. Black found other positives, including a higher than expected gross margin and reassurance about 2024 volume exceeding 2023. He did acknowledge the inclusion of unspecified one-time revenue recognition for FSD. So let's keep on going here. So it suggests that Musk will own some vehicles. Tesla will own some vehicles in the potential ride-hailing fleet, while others will belong to users of third parties. He envisioned a fleet potentially numbering millions. Despite Tesla's recent production milestone of 1,000 Cybertrucks per week, Musk remains cautious about 2024 Cybertruck production, aligning with analyst expectations of around 50,000 units. He also attributes the 1% increase in average selling price to the Cybertruck and higher-end Model Y trims. Now, Musk remains skeptical of Musk's prediction of a lot better second quarter sales. While I hope he's right, it's hard to believe given rates remain high and the pull forward of EV demand in 2022 and the first half of 2023 should create an air pocket this year, he said. So, I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'll link this in the description below. But let's take a look and see exactly what happened with Tesla yesterday. So typically, during the earnings call, that's when you see everything just like crash, because Elon gets on there and says something that spooks investors or gets them mad. And but not this time. I mean, they missed on earnings, and I thought, oh gosh, here we come. We're going to 100, and instead of going to 100, we went to 163.96. We raised 13% after hours. So I'm really interested to see what happens moving forward into today, if we hold that and we keep going forward, or if it was just some type of overreaction and we recorrect and come back down. So really interested to see what happens here, because I did not see this coming for the price action of Tesla after that earnings call. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.